is Saudi Arabia, Jeddah. Usually it doesn't rain, and this is the third time it's actually raining, so it's pretty amazing. It's cool. This is the third time this week it's raining actually, so about twice a year it rains. That's the normality here, but it's the third time this week. It's pretty amazing. It rained last night, it rained on Wednesday, I think. Today's Saturday, so it's pretty cool actually. I'm excited, but most of the locals here, most of my friends are actually not used to rain, so they find it pretty intimidating. It's actually, rain's coming into the house, so I'm in a building at the 6th floor, so I'm sure nothing's gonna happen, but yeah, to the point. Rain's coming into the balcony. Pretty amazing. Pretty cool, I'm excited. This is fun. Not for everybody, I'm sure, but anyways, I better get off my phone and start helping maybe.